Okay, so this video is about how to upload files to Unified Classroom in response to assignments, or just generally get assignments to teachers if you've been doing things by paper and pencil and want to show them what you've been doing, so that they know that you've been doing work, and to get feedback from them so that you know if you've done it right or if you need to edit what you're doing so that you can continue making progress and have access to educational enrichment. So best way to do this is via Unified Classroom, and Unified Classroom comes right up on your browser page if you're working from your student computer. Now, if you are working from a phone, you can obviously get to Unified Classroom that way as well, and I will show a mobile version so that you can see what that would look like. And also, if you are working from another computer that isn't your student computer, this is not going to be the page you come up to, so I'm going to show you how to get to this page as well right now. So if you're working from someone else's computer that isn't a student at Central, first things first, just go to Google. And then in the Google search bar, type in Springfield Public Schools and search it. And then once you search it, one of the first thing that's going to come up underneath it is the main Springfield Public Schools website and the student links page. That's the one you want to click on. Don't click on this. It's going to make you navigate too much straight to student links. And then you are going to get all these links. You want to go right to that student applications page. A lot of it can be a little bit confusing, so straight to the student navigation page, and that takes us back to the page that we started with in the beginning. So you're going to click on Unified Classroom. Be careful not to click on the parent portal. This is the one to Unified Classroom. They do have the same icon, so make sure you're reading Unified Classroom. We're clicking on it. It's going to take you to the login page. And if you're not signed in, it's going to ask you to sign in with Microsoft. So you got to type in your student ID number followed by springfieldpublicschools.com. So if my student ID number is 00000, I would type that in, and then Springfield Public Schools, making sure you're spelling schools right. If it doesn't work, that's usually the biggest reason, is that someone dropped a letter in this long chain. I just messed up right now. .com. I did .con, so you got to make sure you're doing the right one. Now, I also wanted to show you that sometimes when you click on Unified Classroom, it brings you to this page, Welcome to Unified Classroom. Always select Sign in with Microsoft. If you try to type in your school ID and password, it will not work. So sign in with Microsoft, and it will take you back to that same page that we were just talking about. All right, so once you put in your ID number followed by springfieldpublicschools.com, so essentially your student email, it will take you to a page where you have to put in your password. It's your normal password, capital S, lowercase p, followed by your birthday. So it's the same password that you use for everything else. And then once you type that password in, you're going to click sign in. Okay, so once you're signed into Unified Classroom, you will be brought to the main page. I have clipped out some of this because it has personal information on it, because this is a student's example account. But if you're trying to look for assignments and upload assignments, what you want is progress. So you click on progress, and that's going to bring you to your next step. So I've clicked on progress, and you can see assignments, standards, progress, and special programs. You want assignments because that's what you're looking at right now. So you're going to click progress and click on assignments. Okay, so now you can see all the assignments from all the classes here that have been uploaded so far. You should not be seeing grades because we're not supposed to be grading anything yet. What we're giving you is enrichment. So you just want to go in and get stuff done and get your grade, get stuff submitted so that your teachers can give you feedback on your enrichment and let you know how it's going. So you can see some assignments for several classes here. If you're looking to upload work for a specific class, then you want to make sure that you are selecting the correct class. So you would go to the All Classes tab and pull it down. Again, I'm not going to show that specifically, but you'll be able to see all your classes and click on the specific class that you want to look at, and it will only show that class's assignments. So you don't have to look at every class's assignments. All right, so for example, if I want to see what I need to do in Spanish or how to upload something in Spanish, all I need to do is click on, I've clicked on the Spanish class, so all I see is what was required for Spanish class, or what was given as enrichment rather for Spanish class. So for by date, everything's right here. All right, so to upload a file into my assignment and submit it, all I have to do is click on, if I hover over the assignment, you see assignment details and upload file. So I can directly click on upload file. I will most likely be either uploading from OneDrive or my computer, and you can pull up from your computer, so from your desktop, whatever. So if you're going to upload something, what I recommend doing is you, especially if let's say you took a picture on your phone. So take the picture on your phone, from your phone, email it to yourself or send it to your school email. Once you get it on your email, you need to save it to your desktop and then you can upload it here. So that may be something I'm going to I will make a different video on so that you can see what you need to do there. But the main thing is you need to be able to email us an assignment to yourself in order to do this. Now, I can also click on this whole assignment and I have the option to upload my file here. So you have, again, multiple options for how to do that. So in summary, that is what you need to do if you're going to upload a file. So again, I'm going to show you one more time. We click upload, we go to my computer, and then I just click on the name of the file that I want to upload. So again, it needs to be from the correct folder. So again, I always recommend just saving stuff to your desktop because it's the easiest thing to find, because you're right up here, quick access desktop, and then you have all your stuff, whatever's on the desktop, you can just pull, click, and then you press open, and that will be the thing that it saves. So let's say I wanted to save this guy, I would open that, and then I would just click upload now so that I could upload it, and then I would be able to submit it. So once you upload it, that's what the teacher will see. All right. And like I said, what I will be doing is making a video of how to email something to yourself, and then how to save something onto your desktop so that you have all these pieces together so that you can do this. It is a little bit of an involved process, but once you learn how to do it, it gets really, really simple. So again, let me know if you have any more specific questions, but I'm hoping that this will be helpful.